In this video, we're going to show you the 4EvaSeal multi-purpose tape. 4EvaSeal multi-purpose tape comes in 3 different colors: white, black, and gray. The backing for the multi-purpose tape is a UV resistant thermoplastic. So these tapes are suitable for exterior application, exposure to the elements. The backings are heavy duty film. So, we use a film that's 8 mils thick, thicker than most of the competitors. It's going to last longer in those exterior exposed environments than competitive products. The multi-purpose tape is ideal for use on roofing materials. So if you have to patch a hole in an EPDM roof, you can use the black tape. If you're doing a patch on a white PVC or TPO roof, you can use the white tape. It's also great for use on trailers, RVs, campers. You can use the tape to seal around skylights, do repairs at gutters, seams, transitions, and the tape provides a permanent seal and watertight seal. It bonds aggressively to most surfaces.